welcome you to the launch of Eagle version 1.0 from Agentic. Agentic is all about enterprise AI. Now, obviously, we would be eager to know what Eagle is, but at a very high level, I think it's an acronym for Enterprise Augmented GenAI and LLM Engine. It's supposed to be the backbone for enterprise agentic AI use cases, and this is exposed as a chatbot and API. There's a high-level summary, and we'll kind of dive deep into the details and see what this is all about. Now, that is where it is. What is Eagle version 1.0? So you have a lot of AI-powered chatbots. However, Eagle is not just any other such a chatbot. It is a foundational AI engine designed to power intelligent enterprise solutions, as we have been uh, harping on the fact that it is for enterprises. It is to enable enterprise AI agentic use cases. Built with advanced GenAI and LLM capabilities, Eagle serves as a backbone for implementing enterprise agentic AI use cases, enabling organizations to augment decision making, automate workflows, and drive business transformation. Let's dig deeper into it. Why do we need Eagle in the first place? We are all aware of ChatGPT. We are all about Gemini, and they have made our life much better. We are able to converse with them uh, as any other human being and kind of get information, insights, and kind of much more intelligent responses in a conversational mode. While these models are pretty useful to us, they are not workable in their original shape for enterprises. The simple reason being that the enterprise data is private to the specific enterprise, and all these LLMs has been built on public data, and they are not private to the enterprise data. So that's exactly where Eagle comes in. What does Eagle do? Eagle enables enterprise knowledge integration. Unlike generic AI chatbots, Eagle builds an in-depth enterprise knowledge base by seamlessly ingesting data from internal and external sources. These are, I'm talking about enterprise data from its own internal and external sources, documents, databases, APIs, websites, and other structured and unstructured repositories. It enables augmented GenAI for context aware intelligence. So, in order to create AI agentic use cases for enterprises, it is important that we have an LLM which is context aware of the particular enterprise and is able to bring out intelligent insights about every aspects of the enterprise, so that now these insights can be integrated to cobble up or orchestrate AI agentic workflows, which are nothing but automation, AI-enabled automations of existing business processes enabled through cyber-human collaboration wherever needed. So this ensures accurate enterprise-specific responses rather than generic AI outputs. Now, for being able to be kind of useful to an enterprise, Eagle needed to be a scalable agentic AI architecture. It has a modular and scalable architecture. Eagle is designed to serve as a core AI engine that can power multiple enterprise agentic AI applications, or for that sake, any AI agentic application. Some of the examples being AI powered live chat. The live chats that you have today, whether it is through WhatsApp or any other mode, it's more like an IVR. You kind of you have to ask a specific, start with a specific queue, and then you are given numbers one, two, three, four. You'll have to select the options, and then from that options, I think the conversation goes ahead. So it has to follow a structured path. However, when you have an AI powered live chat, it can actually make it pretty much freewheeling. Now, AI powered customer support. Now, customers can be an internal customer one department people having queries about another department, employee having queries about HR policies, or it can be an external customer, or it can be a B2C customer, it can be a B2B, or whatever it might be. For that, you need intelligent, context-aware enterprise assistants, document and knowledge automation, AI-driven business insights, and business insights were always there. However, I think it's kind of predictive and prescriptive, became more and more predictive and prescriptive over a period of time. So that is enabled through AI. And uh, first, AI needs to work, or agentic AI needs to work for an enterprise. Now, there are enterprise which caters to different industry domains, and every domain has its own nuances. So agentic AI now needs to be able to cater to those individual nuances of the industry domains. So while all of that needs to be orchestrated based on the business knowledge, based on the requirements of the specific business process, you need at the core of it something which is context aware of the information of the enterprise in a holistic way. It might be able to kind of create silos for individual departments, but at a high level, it needs to have that particular engine that we are talking about needs to have the context awareness about the entire enterprise so that it is able to bring out intelligent insights, which can be then integrated into the AI agentic use cases. This is the specific requirement, the core agentic AI engine requirement, which was made by Eagle. Why does enterprise need Eagle? So one of the primary concerns in adopting AI or a Gen AI is about security. Now, nobody enterprises doesn't necessarily want to kind of give their entire data away to the cloud. Some might be kind of okay with that. Some might be okay with the private cloud. But then at the end of the day, it's about a lot of data. It's about a lot of confidential data, which you would not like to kind of give away to the external world. So that's where AI needs to be built in a lot of way within the boundaries of the enterprise. So that is where Eagle kind of enables you, helping you to kind of create a kind of required infrastructural architecture, whether it's a hybrid architecture on premises plus cloud, or a full cloud, or basically a full on premises, whatever it might be. And it depends on certain other factors, which will kind of get into a conversation, whoever has an interest on that. Secondly, means even within an enterprise, within an internal environment of an enterprise, all insights are not supposed to be shared with everybody. The kind of insights with the highest of management needs is not something which a middle management needs, or probably the information which production division needs is not the same as what is needed by an HR division. So there has to be much more fine-grained access to information and insights, and for which you need something like Eagle. And I mean, whoever is interested, please come and connect with us, and kind of we'll talk about that. Uh, Now, second thing is that it needs to be customizable and scalable. Obviously, scalability is at the core of any enterprise application, and customizability. Now, there is a cost angle to it. So some might be okay with OpenAI and Gemini because they are used to working with them with Google or OpenAI. Some might be interested in working with an open source. Depends upon how much accuracy an open source can give, and whether that level of accuracy is acceptable or not. And some might actually want to kind of create a completely custom LLM for themselves. So all the feasibilities are there. I think the first two is something which can be done now. Custom LLM for each and every enterprise is something which is going to come in probably kind of immediate to medium term timelines. Then seamless API integration. Until and so you have the accurate, intelligent insights, you do not know which exact API to make a call to, and in an automated fashion. So that's where Eagle comes also into picture, kind of giving those context-aware, intelligent insights about an enterprise. And then obviously, I think data resides in an enterprise in multiple different formats. So you need multimodal AI capabilities. So for doing a POC of Eagle, we identified Immortal. So Immortal is something that we are closely related to. So Immortal is a digital age IT product and services company. Claims itself to be a digital innovation company. So we implemented Eagle for Immortal. So at this point of time, we used the website data and other data in a PDF format or any other textual format that they have, and based upon that, we built the Eagle model for them. Um, and to kind of understand this entire model better with an example enterprise as a model, let us take a look at the demo. Now that we have taken a look at the demo, it gives us a reasonably clear understanding of the current capabilities of the product as a chatbot. But Eagle goes much beyond that in being the core engine that powers any other AI agentic use cases. As Eagle achieves context awareness of an enterprise, it will be able to provide intelligent inputs to orchestrate automation workflows of existing and new business processes within an enterprise. Given the fact that we are at the cusp of this magnanimous AI agentic revolution, it will most certainly change the very philosophy which has driven technology implementations till now. The entire rule-based, model-based algorithmic construct will be up for challenge and might face extinction for a large part. Hence, a new world order will require a very different strategic approach to AI for businesses that an enterprise does. The entire concept of product management is going to undergo a sea of change, as the business technology implementation itself is going to be drastically different in this new world led by AI, GenAI, LLMs, LLAs, and VLMs. Such different world order requires core engines to power these changes. Eagle vies for its rightful place in this context. So this is our website. You can come to agentic.in where you'll kind of get more details about what we are doing and what we are up to. Uh, so this is a kind of giving a basic concept about what agentic AI is, what kind of frameworks, standard frameworks, how we have customized it for enterprises, and what is our custom framework is. And then here we'll find different kind of there's an AI agentic use case inventory. Entirely for enterprises, you can search for it using business function, um, like with a business function, finance, sales, marketing, and so some of the use cases to start you off on. There are some more details. You want to kind of get into more details, you will get there. And by business function, you have by agent types, LLM based, MLDL or AI as a servers or as hybrid, which is a mixture of conventional AI and Gen AI. You can find it by industry domains and that sort of. And obviously, we'd like to have more discussions with you. Uh, Anytime you kind of feel like talking to us, you have some spare time, just reach out to us and we'll love to talk to you. So this is what our management team is, and then anytime you want to contact us, here are our contact details. Thanks a lot. See you once again. Bye bye.